This 2025 Aluma 7812BT 12 feet aluminum trailer with bifold ramp 7K is a car hauler trailer RV. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aluma is 12 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Aluma 7812BT 12 feet aluminum trailer with bifold ramp 7K is 1,025 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.